When I feel what I feel, sometimes it's hard to tell you so. You may not.
Hey guys, so today I did this inspired Kylie Jenner makeup look, and if you want to see how I did it, then keep on watching. So before we get started, I want to let you guys know that I did do my face makeup, including my eyebrows, and I did that because this makeup look is going to be more focusing on the eye look, so I figured I'd just do these things first so it doesn't take as much time. So for eyeshadow, I'm going to be using the Modern Renaissance palette, and I'm going to be using the shade Warm Taupe. And I'm also going to be using this little card just to line my eyes when I do the eyeshadow, just so the eyeshadow lines are very precise. Next, I'm going to do my eyeliner, and I'm going to be using this e.l.f. liquid eyeliner just to line out my eyes. So to fill in my eyeliner, I'm just going to be using the Kat Von D Tattoo Liner. So for the yellow inner corner, I'm just going to be using my Morphe 35B palette, and I'm just going to be using this bright yellow color. So next I'm going to pop on some lashes, and these are the Ardell's in 141. So last but not least, for the lips, I'm going to be using the color Exposed in Kylie Cosmetics. So that is it for the makeup tutorial. I hope you guys liked it. It was super simple and super fun. So I will see you guys next time. Bye!